This is a quick tutorial to walk you through some of the features of the Kami app. So here we have an assignment that a teacher has embedded inside of a Canvas assignment. It's best probably not to do the assignment here in the smaller window. So look where you have the initials for your name, and to the right of that is the menu, and click on Open in a New tab. Since this is the student template document, I'm not going to write on this one, but I already have one opened. Here's what it looks like when it opens up. So over here on the menu, you can decide what side you want the menu on. And notice this says toggle descriptions. Like right now, you would kind of need to know what all these things are for. But if you toggle the descriptions, you can see what they're for. We're going to first take a look at the markup tool for highlighting. There are several different ways: text highlighter, freehand highlighter, box highlighter. You could strike through, you could underline. If you want to change the color of your highlighting, you can. Be careful that it's not too light. It's sometimes hard to see. So here we have this passage on geography. Geography is the study of the earth and its features. Geographers are people who study geography. The study of the people, they study the people on the earth. They also study all the changes that happen over time. So I'm going to highlight study of the earth and its features. Again, not the whole sentence. I'm going to highlight study people and places and changes that happen over time. So again, that is the text highlighter. Let me demonstrate what the other things do. Kind of hard to, you got to have a good hand. I'm using a mouse. And then this is not very helpful because it just colors the whole box. That's not really the point of highlighting. You can come up here and you can undo that. I use Control Z on my keyboard to undo those. So those are the markup tools. Sometimes assignments, like this one, have things where they want you to type something. So you have to type an answer in the box. That's where you'll use the text box feature. You can choose the color of the text that you want. Notice across here I can change the font, I can change the size. If you had a small window you needed to fit it into, you could readjust it. You can bold, things like that. So those are some of the main ways that we use Kami. Also, if you have the paid version, you can go to the Read Aloud and highlight text.
Read and text mark the passage. Answer question S in the response.
And of course, it's reading it to me. Other features, you can wipe out everything on the screen if you want to. Start over. For students, and it auto saves, by the way. For students, there's a button up here that says Submit. Since I'm in the teacher example, it does not have that. But once you press the Submit button, then it gets submitted. If you have any further questions about Kami, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher.